Now, a lot of people love to trade in small time frames also. Of course, everybody's dream is to trade in small time frame, intraday, and to, trade like a person who's sitting on the trading charts and just getting out again and again and making profits. But you should learn how to stake your positions conservatively. This is the conservative type of staking that I have shown you. The same rules of the patterns that we have learned are applying here. What I'm trying to make you understand is the first trade on the first major low we took and we shorted it. Then the second trade on the second major low we took and shorted it. Then we waited for the market to come to an extreme low. As soon as it made a third major conservative low, we shorted it again. So how many trades we have taken? 1, 2, 3. We could have taken here also, here also, here also, but we did not took it. Correct? A person who takes this type of trades in a very relaxed position is a conservative person who reduces his chances to lose more money. Right? Your probability increases because you have less trades, you have more clean charts, you have less stress to work on your trades. Correct? So that's why I would advise you, for the starting of 3 months, go only with conservative staking positions. Even if you want to take only one trade at a time, it is the best. Take it, no problem.